These are my little English cream puppies. The one with a collar is the only one left available. The one chewing on his collar is little Oliver. This is little Max. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Huh? Puppy puppies. Don't chew on his collar. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. What you doing? What you doing? Oliver, you gonna play?